Hello the Internet, and welcome to another fast school holiday program by the CNRL Library Children's Services and CNRL Library Innovation Studio. Today we're going to make a bottle xylophone. You will need at least 4 bottles. They can be the same size, they can be of varying sizes. If you're feeling very ambitious, you can use a lot more than 4. You will also need some water. You'll need some teaspoons to use as percussion. And you're also going to need either a very good ear for sound or a smartphone with the following app. Okay, so I'm going to pour water in my first one and have a listen to the sound depending on how much water's in there. It changes the note quite significantly. Small amount of water, higher note. Okay. Download the Sound Corset Tuner app. It's available for both Android and Apple devices. It's free to download, but it is ad supported, so make sure you ask a parent before using it. Simply hold your phone near to your bottles as you hit them, and the note that's being played should show up on the screen. You'll still want to play it by ear a little bit, but it should be a good help. And what we're going to do is use the app, or your very good musical ear, to listen to the sound to make sure we get a full scale of notes, and then we can play music. Now, you want to space them fairly close together so that you can reach them all and hit them in time. Otherwise, your music's not going to sound right if there's big gaps. Now, if like me, you're not actually very musical, you might want to label your bottles. I've got mine in order, but when you're playing a tune, you might be jumping in between which ones you hit. So I'm going to get a bit of paper, and I'm going to put different colours on my paper. Different colours for different notes. I've got orange for A, purple for B, pink for C. Doesn't really matter which colours you're using so long as they're different. Green for D, blue for E. And then I'm going to get a pair of scissors and cut these out and stick one to each of these for the corresponding notes. A, B, C, D, and E. You may be very good at making up your own tunes. Me, I'm not that musical. I'm going to go to another website where they list the tunes in A, B, C, D, E format because I can't read musical notes either. The noobnotes.net website has lots of different songs all laid out in letter notation. Songs are organised as to how easy or hard they are, so it's very simple to use. What I'm going to do is I'm going to write them down in the order I have to hit them. And then I can follow along and play my tune. Now, to make it super easy on myself, what I've done is I've written numbers down and put them in front of each bottle. And then I've written a sequence of numbers down, and I'm just going to follow the numbers. Because that's even easier than following the letters. For me, anyway. You may be different. So let's see if you can name that tune. Twinkle, twinkle. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Okay, so I've been playing around a bit and I've come up with my own composition. I've just been hitting around and when I like something, writing down the numbers. And now I've got a whole little tune, which it may not be fantastic, but I'm pretty proud of it. I think it's the first music I've ever composed in my life. So the main thing is have fun. Let's see how this goes. Start again. How's it going? Not bad. That's the only way I can do it. Yeah? Oh, far out. That's inspiring then, because I've heard your music. You're really good. So that was Barakai being very kind indeed, but it made me feel good. Just goes to show, music really can make you feel good. It doesn't matter if you think you're not good. Practice is always going to make you better, and so long as you're having fun, that's great. And that was lovely. It's made me feel really happy. We hope you enjoyed this workshop, and we hope you have a lot of fun playing music, recording your music, coming up with new music of your own, or just playing the tunes that you love. See you next time.